And this is my best friend. And this is my best friend, Calypso Royale. Remember the 4 arms in the entry challenge? It's his arms and he just woke up from my loud voice. Butterfly wings. Sadie, up Sadie. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am AmunaDavis, fierce drag queen, hairstylist and makeup artist from Latvia. So, oh my god you guys, we did it! I'm one of the top 20 finalists in NYX FACE AWARDS BALTICS 2019. Can you believe in that? Are you happy for me? Are you happy for me? Cool. Are you happy for me? She's always supporting me. By the way, this is Demia. This is Demia, my dog. Frenchie. And yeah, she's always supporting me. So I just received this big box from NYX Professional Makeup and sponsors for this competition. So yeah, if you are new to my channel, then yeah, come here. Sit, say that. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel down there. Give me some thumbs up and become my Amuna squad. Let's open this box. I did first entry look and it was Queen of Butterflies, this one. And I'm so excited to be one of the top 20 finalists. Oh my god, this looks amazing. Check it out guys. Oh my god. Thumbnail. So yeah, let's open it up. I will take... Should I take out this box? Okay, I will take out this box first. Oh, it's hard. You have a new house now. So... Oh my god, this box looks so cool. Look. This is the front. Yes. I love it. Oh my gosh. Damn, what is going to read? Wow. So first thing that I see is this top 20. Congratulations, we are happy to announce that you have made it to FACE AWARDS BALTICS 2019 Top 20. Thank you for your awesome work so far. We can't wait to see your unboxing video of this box with NYX Professional Makeup products and kind gifts from our sponsors. On August 2nd, 2019, we will be announcing the top 10 finalists. Good luck with your first challenge. Oh my god. Yes. And then there's this envelope. So here I have an envelope, black envelope. Demia is interested also. And what is there? Oh, this is the first challenge. And the first challenge is Proud Soul. I'm so excited. So let's check out what kind of goodies we have in here. Oh my gosh, there's a lot. First thing that I see is it tattoo? Oh yeah, temporary tattoos. And crystals from Wink. Temporary tattoos. So cool. Yes, I needed this one. So this is NYX Highlight and Contour Cream Pro Palette. I have this in the powder and this one is in cream. So that's amazing when you are transforming your face. Then I have color correction concealer. This is very helpful when you are color correcting. Then this is my favorite eyeshadow palette from NYX Professional Makeup, NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in shade Bright. When I'm doing fantasy makeup, I'm always doing it with this palette. And this is my best friend. And this is my best friend, Calypso Royale. Remember the 4 arms in the entry challenge? It's his arms and he just woke up from my loud voice. Butterfly wings. So yeah, he's one of my biggest supporters and I'm so thankful to him. Oh, so next one we have Born to Glow highlighting palette. This one is Chamaze Balls. And then we have some SFX stuff that I also love. And I created my entry look with this. They are so amazing. You need to know how to work with them. For me, it works better when I'm putting some body oil in, and then it works amazing. And quality of this product is Chamaze Balls, and it stays on even in shower. So here I have some NYX SFX Face and Body Paint in shades white and gold. And also they also sent NYX SFX Set Loose Powder. And with this powder you set your body paints. Next one, I see some face products, which I also love. So this is a NYX cleanser, which I never tried, but I will try it now. And then one of my favorite, Be Gone, NYX Professional Makeup Be Gone makeup removal wipes. These work so good and it's so easy to take off your makeup with them. So this is one of the sponsors, Garnier. Also one of my favorites when I take off my makeup. With this you can take off everything. So this is Garnier Skin Natural Big Face Mineral Cleansing Water in Oil. If you love makeup and you put a lot of makeup with this, you can remove everything. Also, I see some jelly, moisturizing jelly, hydration 48 hours, and normal to combinating skin from Garnier. I will try them out also, and I never tried this one. I got also more of some NYX SFX Face and Body Paint in shade Silver, Red, and Violet. So, oh my gosh, I got some bag. Oh yes! Oh my god, looks so cool. Professional NYX makeup bag for your brushes. So cool. This one is really cool. Especially when you work with your clients or you do makeup for others. Even for yourself. Just put your favorite brushes inside and you're good to go. Ooh. I see some Sweet Help I Love You. These, I got these sweets from Sweet Help I Love You. Yes, oh my god, I love setting sprays, and I got some setting sprays. So cool. I got First Base Primer Spray. I never tried it also. One of my favorite setting sprays, Matte Finish Setting Spray, plus NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I love setting sprays. So thank you so much. Then I got powder. Can't Stop, One Stop Powder Foundation. Ooh, I never tried it also. In shade Neutral Tan. And then, of course, Can't Stop, Won't Stop Foundations, which is full mother coverage, and you know it. It's amazing. So I got 6 Can't Stop, Won't Stop full coverage foundations in different shades. Yes, they are matte finished and they can last up to 24 hours. full coverage foundations. And then I got, oh my god, yes, these are my favorite eyelashes, wigged lashes, and these are in Drama Queen. These are one of my favorite eyelashes and they're so full and amazing. So I got 4 eyelashes, and then I never also tried this. NYX Professional Makeup on the Spot Makeup Brush Cleanser. Yes, it's so cool. You just spray it on, then just wipe it, and that's it. Glitters, 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 glitters! Oh my god, yeah, so many glitters and pigments. Foil play, ooh. I got different pigments from NYX Professional Makeup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pigments. Oh my gosh, yeah. And this new NYX Professional Makeup Foil Play Cream Pigment. Oh my gosh. So next I see, yes, oh my god, this is amazing. This is one of my favorite eyebrow pencils, and I got 5 of them. Yes, yes, eyebrow gods heard me. Thank you so much. I got 5 micro eyebrow pencils. They're so amazing for clean work that you need to get, and they're so thin, and also I love sketching out some artwork or eyes or different objects. I got Vivid Brights liners, and they're so amazing. Also, I have used them. They're amazing, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these. And these are Vivid Brights colored liquid liners. I will use them in my first challenge. And then I got some duochromatic highlighters, which I also use, and they're really cool. And I love the packaging for traveling. So these are really amazing and really pigmented and in different shades. And then there is 4 lipsticks, NYX Vivid Suede matte lipsticks. And then there's some more lipsticks, soft matte lip creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 soft matte lip creams in 8 shades. Yes, but they are not that dry as matte liquid lipsticks can be. Some of them are really dry, and it feels like your lips are really dry. And yeah, these soft matte lip creams don't make that feeling that your lips are so dry. And then there is NYX Professional Makeup Matte Liquid Liner, and also one of my favorites eyeshadow bases, NYX Professional Makeup Eyeshadow Base in shade White. Yes. And then of course Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Concealers. So there's 3 things. This is also from sponsor Matrix Miracle Creator Multitasking Hair Mask. I will use it tonight. And also Matrix Total Results Keep Me Vivid Pearl Infusion Shampoo. These like travel size bottles. I love travel size makeup because then you don't need to take like really big palette or eyeshadow or shampoos. Just take small ones and it takes less space. And the last thing that I am like crazy about and more excited about is NYX Professional Swear By It eyeshadow palette. I love eyeshadow palettes. Everybody who knows me, they know that I love eyeshadow palettes, and I'm collector for eyeshadow palettes. I have already 125 and I didn't have this one. So yeah, I'm really excited to get this and to put it in my collection. So yeah, thank you so much NYX Professional Makeup, and thank you so much NYX Professional Makeup Baltics team for sending this, and thank you so much sponsors also. So guys, that's it, everything that I got in the top 20 NYX Face Awards Baltics finalist box. And yeah, if you like this video and if you like these products, give me some thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, remember, subscribe for my channel to be in my Amuna squad. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for your support and love that you are giving to me. I'm doing this for us, for my Amuna squad, for my community, and I love you guys so much. Thank you so much, and remember, be who you want to be and stay safe. See you in my next video. See ya!